My name's Janelle and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to style a wrap skirt. Wrap skirts are super versatile and really cute for summer, but also can be layered up for the colder months. I'm also really excited to let you know that I have just added a batch of wrap skirts to roseryapparel.com. So if you like any of the wrap skirts in this video, then be sure to go down to the link in the description below if you'd like to pick one up for yourself. But first, let me show you how to actually put a wrap skirt on. Hold the skirt at each end and place the center of the skirt at the back of your waist. Next, you'll need to feed the long tie through the little opening on the side of the skirt. Wrap the tie around your back and wrap the other side of the skirt around the front, meeting the two ties together at the side. Tie the two sides together into a bow and you're in. So the first look I'm showing in this video has quickly become one of my favourite everyday outfits. Here I've paired the wrap skirt with a cute polka dot blouse and my beloved Hobe shoes. Fun fact, these are actually my wedding shoes, and even though they are starting to look a little worn, I still love them so much and wear them all the time. I really love just how effortless this look is. Add a little hair clip and you've got a lovely everyday outfit. The next look is a really easy and casual look for the warmer months. Here I've paired the wrap skirt with a simple white t-shirt and my Converse trainers. This wrap skirt in particular is really floaty and lovely. Just add a cute basket bag and you've got the perfect summer outfit. The final look is how I'm currently wearing my wrap skirts as the weather has gotten a bit cooler. I've been styling my wrap skirts with my favourite boots and a pair of stockings. This is a great way to layer the wrap skirt up a little bit, and paired with my mustard coat is a super cozy outfit too. So I hope this video has inspired you with some new ways to style your wrap skirt. And like I said at the start of the video, be sure to take a look at the link down in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. Thanks so much for watching.